This is your Oncor Weather Current video update for Wednesday, April 3rd. I'm meteorologist Kaiti Blake. We've got some beautiful weather coming up over the next few afternoons. Very comfortable and plenty of sunshine. Now, as we get into the weekend and early next week, Saturday night and then Monday evening, those are our next two chances of storms. And I know what you're thinking, how is that Monday evening storm chance going to affect the solar eclipse forecast? And I've got details coming up shortly. But first, try to fit in some time outside over the next few afternoons. It's going to be beautiful. Wednesday, mid to upper 70s across West Texas, pushing 80 down near Round Rock, a high near 73 in Dallas. We get a little bit warmer on Thursday, but it is still going to be really comfortable out there. More 80s on the board Thursday, and then very similar temperatures as we wrap up the work week on Friday. Jumping ahead to Saturday afternoon, the dry line will move into West Texas, and this dry line could cause some isolated thunderstorms to develop, and these storms could be strong to severe. Now, I think the best chance to see any large hail or wind gusts is going to be out west of Wichita Falls and east of Lubbock. However, there is the potential for a few of these storms to hang on late Saturday night and make a run at North Texas, DFW, and the I-35 corridor. So you will see a rain chance for Saturday night. Then we get into Sunday morning, cold front sweeps through, clears any of those storms out, but there could be some lingering rain showers down across east and southeast Texas as we get into Sunday. The rest of us a dry forecast for wrapping up the weekend on Sunday. Then we get to Monday, the big day. A lot of folks have been waiting a long time for this event. This is the total solar eclipse happening Monday afternoon with the path of totality, these yellow lines moving across a big portion of the Lone Star State. Now, some timing to keep in mind here for a lot of locations, and it is specific to where you are. You can find these specific dates online, but for a lot of locations, start time of this eclipse will be around 12:20, ending around 3 o'clock. But in between those two periods, totality, if you're in that path of totality, that will begin around 1:40 p.m. and it only lasts about 4 minutes. So if you need to kind of pick out a time to step away and try to get a view of this, it is going to be closer to about 1:40. But again, check the specific times for your area. And a couple of other reminders: you've got to have those eclipse glasses, or you have to use a pinhole projector to view this safely. You cannot view it with just plain old regular sunglasses. You need to make sure you have the proper eye protection for this event. Now, a lot of eyes have been on the forecast, and this could change a bit over the next few days, but it is looking like ahead of a chance of storms Monday evening, there is going to be a decent amount of cloud cover across the state. These numbers you see here, 0% would be clear skies, 100% would be completely overcast, and it does look like we're going to have a pretty mixed bag of cloud cover across much of the state, including that path of totality from noon to about 3 p.m. Now, it doesn't look like it's going to be completely overcast, so some partial viewing will be possible, but again, keep an eye on your local forecast over the next few days as things get closer to the eclipse on Monday. I mentioned that storm chance Monday evening. It's about a 40% chance right now for some evening storms, some of which could be strong to severe. That chance will continue into Monday night, and we've even got a lingering chance of rain and storms heading into Tuesday of next week. So we'll be keeping you updated on all that and much more on our social media channels. Well, on behalf of myself and everyone at Oncor, enjoy the rest of your week. Enjoy this great weather. Have a very safe weekend, and we'll see you here next Wednesday for another Oncor Weather Current video update.